YouTube, good morning, man. I want to show y'all a package I just got from Green Rhino. So Green Rhino, shout out to Tommy. I'm gonna show you the package he sent me. Let's get that open. So this the mystery box Tommy sent me. And we're gonna get this going. All right, so I got my scissors. What we got in here? Wow, extreme clean, 2-gallon pre-spread pump. Okay. Oh, I said 2-gallon. I meant 2.5. Oh, so let's take a look at this here. Oh, look at the handle on it. That's nice right there. Let's get this open. Oh. Wow. And you know what, guys? I always, I had ordered me a backpack, pre-spray, electric. But this right here looks nice. This looks nice. It's metal. This looks nice here. Hang on a second. You got this here. Got this here. This nice here. And look at the straps. So the backpack I ordered before, it was electric, but it was so made cheap. But this right here, what Tommy got me, this is nice here. This is nice here. This is nice here. Hey man, big shout out to Tommy at Green Rhino. And I really appreciate this here. I really appreciate this here. And I always want another backpack, and this small, so it's gonna fit in my van pretty well too. Got the top, more stuff in here. It's nice here. So what I'm gonna do now is put this together, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. All right, so YouTube, I got my pre-spread put together. I gotta put the screws in. My screws are inside my van. But I can't wait to use this. So make sure y'all stay tuned in. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Main Street Carpet Cleaners of Columbia SC. But I tell everyone all the time, if you're looking to get into the carpet cleaning business, there's no need to freestyle. Tommy at Green Rhino actually has a step-by-step course to teach you the ins and outs, how to get on Google, how to build a website, what chemicals to use, what solutions to use, how to go about marketing, how to come up with your pricing, how to target a specific clientele base. So I actually done that. January made 2 years for me. So big shouts out to Green Rhino. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll be using this pretty soon. So make sure y'all hit the link in the course too. Make sure you hit the link in the bio so you can actually get the link to the step-by-step course.